Ying Stoller, a great Asian food cook, teacher, cookbook author, and entrepreneur, has brought her expertise to television, radio, print media, and trade shows. Now she brings it on the road.
So today we're making Mongolian beef with my Korean barbecue marinade. You say, what? Yeah, trust me, this marinade is different than the outside other brand Korean barbecue sauce. This is a marinade. So I'm going to use, of course, onions. So I'm using red onions, yellow onions, and green onions. And I also use, of course, beef. This is a chuck eye boil. I bought it from the store for like bulgogi. But if you can't find these, you can just use a tenderloin or flank steak. So let's slice some green onions. I'm cutting them at a diagonal. Then we're going to use cutting some yellow onions. We're going to slice them thin. I'm also using some red onions. We'll also slice them to make it more colorful. So now we're going to slice beef. I also cut them pretty thin to make it cooking time short. Then I'm going to prepare this starch solution by adding some starch with cold water, about 1-to-2 ratio. Let's add some oil to the wok. Then we're going to swirl it around to prevent food stick to the bottom of the wok. Now let's add onions. We're going to add red, yellow, and most of the green onions. Then I'm going to stir. Cook a little and then add meat. Then we're going to keep stirring. Stir a little bit. Then we're going to add some more green onions. Keep stirring. Cook until the beef loses its pink color. So now let's add some Korean barbecue marinade. This marinade is great for this dish. So we're going to stir, add a little bit at a time, add some more if you like. Stir, keep stirring. Because it's marinade, so it's kind of thin, we're going to thicken it with adding some starch. Let's put in the rest of the green onions. Keep stirring. Now we're done. Let's put in the plate. Delicious Mongolian beef is done. Serve with the right rice. And you might say, oh, in the restaurant, sometimes I see there's some noodles, fried noodles. Yeah, you can do that too. So those are just, you can use the rice noodle. Or if you want to just stir fry, this is it. And this is delicious, simple, and healthy. And do your way Mongolian beef. See you next time.
You can find Ying's Kitchen sauces with recipes right on the bottle at many local grocery stores. Go to yingskitchen.com for locations and more recipes.